Today, I will make a General Tso. What I like in a General Tso is crispy chicken outside but tender inside, with a rich sauce but not overly sweet. So, this is my version of General Tso, and bonus, it's dairy and gluten free. This video will be in two parts. Part 1 is the recipe, and part 2 I will go deeper in the wine pairing subject. So enough talking and let's do this! Take 4 or 5 chicken thighs and cut it in bite size. In my opinion, the thighs have way better taste and texture than the breast. Now this part is what makes the big difference in this dish, brining the chicken. The ingredients I like to use for the brine are ginger roughly chopped, minced 5 cloves of garlic, a bouquet of rosemary, 1/4 cup of salt, and 1/4 cup of honey. I prefer to use natural source of sugar instead of refined sugar. And top it with water. Mix all that and leave it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. It's a long preparation, but I assure you it's worth the wait. Now for the coating, I simply use cornstarch, 1 or 2 cups depending on how much chicken you have, and a tablespoon of baking soda. Then mix those together. Put the wet chicken thighs in the breading mixture. Make sure it's perfectly coated. We will do a double fry, that way it will be very crispy. The first bat will be at 275 Fahrenheit until you get a light blonde color. And the second bat will be at 375 Fahrenheit until you get a perfect golden color. Alright, it's time to work on our sauce now, but just before, I want to taste it to see how it is. Do you want to taste it first?
Yes, please. That is very good, huh?
It's impressive how the brine changed everything. This is already super good like this. With the sauce, it's gonna be awesome. So now let's do this. Now for the sauce, start with 1 cup of chicken stock. Add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Like I said before, I prefer to use natural sugar. Then 1/8 of a cup of rice vinegar, 1/8 of a cup of Chinese cooking wine, 1/8 of a cup of dark soy sauce, and into this grate 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. And depending on how spicy you want it, add 1 to 6 red chili peppers. Mix all this together, let it cook a couple of minutes, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. When you like the consistency of the sauce, add the crispy chicken in, mix, and serve on rice. Garnish with scallion and sesame seeds.
And action!
Do you want to taste it?
Yes, please. That is very delicious.
Oh yes!
Yes, that is very delicious.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to know how to pair this delicious General Tso, I will go deeper into the subject of wine pairing in part 2 of this video. Until then,
See you soon.
yeah, good job.